Hello. Today I would like to present you how to create a list of incrementing numbers using common table expressions, recursive common table expressions in SQL Server and in PostgreSql, and you will see that the SQL statements are extremely similar. So I will try to generate numbers from 1 to 1000. First, I have to create my common table expression to generate the numbers, the digits from 0 to 9. Digits as, and I will put select star from digits for debug. So the first step is to create a statement to generate numbers from 0 to 9. The anchor of the recursive common table expression is the select that returns the digit 0. Then I'll have to union it with another select which will recursively return the rows containing digits from 1 to 9. So I'll put it like this, from digits from itself, where digit less than 9. And what does it mean? That it will recursively call itself and it will return a digit till the digit will be 9. Let's run it. And sure enough, I have the digits from 0 to 9. Now I have to take this one and build cross joins and combine the digits together to get numbers from 1 to 1000 as a 1, cross join digits as a 2, cross join digits as a 3, and I'll go in here, Ctrl R, and I'll put a1 digit plus a1 digit, a2 digit plus 10 multiplied by 10 plus a3 digit multiplied by 100. And if I run it, I will get 1000 rows, but from 0 to 999. So I have to change it and to add like this. And if I execute it right now, I will get my numbers, and I will put something like also, let's say, as gen, so something, order by gen desk. And if I do this, then I see that I have the maximum number is 1000 and the smallest is 1. So this is how the statement, the recursive query with cross joins, is built in SQL Server. Of course, if such a statement is called repeatedly and often enough, it is better to put it into a table of its own, the results, I mean. Now I'll try to do the same thing using PostgreSql. I have in here a test database, and then I will go with this syntax. So this is a difference between PostgreSql and SQL Server, we have to instruct PostgreSQL that we are working with a recursive query. But actually, I will not use it for now, the recursive keyword, and see what we get. With digits as, and select star from digits. And if I will try to build it, it's select 0 as digit, union. This is another difference. In Postgres, I can put union. In SQL Server, I am forced to put union all. Then the recursive part, so select 0 as digit is the anchor, and the recursive part, it will return rows which will contain the next numbers 1, 2, 3 till 9. But the expression is exactly the same from digits, where digit is smaller than 9. Let's see if I try to run it, what we get. I will do this, and I receive an error message. I have to use it with recursive. So I'll put with recursive. And if I execute it, I get my numbers. Now, as before, I'll have to cross-join in order to generate numbers from 1 to 1000. A3 order by genre. I'll put 1 to have 1 from 1 to 1000. Then it's A1 plus A1 digit. A2 digit multiplied by 10 plus A3 digit multiplied by 100 as gen number. Let's run it. Order by. And if I run it, so order by like this, it starts with 1, and if I put desk, the maximum number is 1000. So that's it. The recursive query is extremely similar, with the exception of the recursive keyword in PostgreSQL, and with the difference that in PostgreSQL I can use union, while in SQL Server I will receive an error. And let's try to generate that error. I will put in here union. In principle it should work. No, it's already telling me that it has to have a union all, and if I go with execute, it won't let me. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening.